Hi kids, I'm Shraddha. I'm your educator from Study with Shraddha. Today we are going to do a very short, a very sweet poem. The name of the poem is God Save the Beetle. This poem has been written by the famous writer Ruskin Bond. This poem is about an insect, beetle. ये जो आपके स्क्रीन पे आपको टॉप राइट कॉर्नर में इंसेक्ट दिख रहा है, दिस इज अ बीटल. ये बार बार पोएट के रूम में एंटर कर जाती है. पोएट के रूम में एक विंडो है जो ओपन है, वहां से एंटर करती है और बार बार पोएट के रूम में एक गोल्डफिश बोल है उसमें जाकर गिर जाती है, लाइक दिस, एंड प्लॉप falls into the goldfish bowl. About the poet, he is Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was born in 1934 in Kasauli, India. He is an Indian author of British descent. अब इसका क्या मीनिंग है? British descent means Ruskin Bond is born in India, but उसके parents Britishers हैं. He is renowned for his role in promoting children's literature in India. Renowned means famous, and promoting means encouraging. So he has written many books for children. His popular novel "The Blue Umbrella" was made into a Hindi film and was awarded the National Film Award for Best Children's Film in 2007. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. Let's start with a summary. In this poem, the poet is worried about a beetle. He asks God to help the beetle and give it some idea where to go because it keeps flying in through the open window and falls into the goldfish bowl. पोएट इज वरिड अबाउट द बीटल. उसको चिंता है बीटल की. क्यों चिंता है? कि वो बार बार ओपन विंडो से अंदर आ रही है उसके रूम में और गोल्डफिश बोल के अंदर गिर रही है. सो पोएट जो है वो गॉड की हेल्प मांग रहा है कि थोड़ा सा गॉड बीटल को गाइड करो, उसको हेल्प करो कि उसको पता तो हो कि फ्लाई कहाँ करके जाना है मैंने. द पोएट हैज ऑलरेडी सेव्ड इट ट्वाइस फ्रॉम ड्राउनिंग. उसको डूबने से पोएट ऑलरेडी उसको 2 बार बचा चुका है. But every time the poet leaves it in the garden, it keeps coming back. Now the poet is ready to go to bed. Ready to go to bed matlab now the poet is ready and he wants to sleep. But the beetle has again flown into his room and fallen into the fish bowl. The moment he is ready to go to sleep, बीटल फिर से आ गई है विंडो से फ्लाई करके और फिर गोल्डफिश बोल के अंदर गिर गई है. नाउ इट इज लुकिंग क्वाइट टायर्ड टू. अब बीटल बहुत थकी हुई लग रही है. सिंस इट स्विमिंग इन द फिश पूल फॉर क्वाइट अ लॉन्ग टाइम, क्योंकि काफी देर से स्विमिंग कर रही है इसलिए अब बीटल थकी थकी लग रही है. एंड मेकिंग द गोल्डफिश नर्वस. अब इतनी देर से गोल्डफिश के बोल में है तो अब ऑब्वियसली गोल्डफिश भी थोड़ी नर्वस हो रही है. इट डजंट नो कि ये इंसेक्ट क्यों आ गया है मेरे घर में. So the poet prays to God to guide the beetle. Guide मतलब रास्ता दिखाना, so that it does not drown. The goldfish is also no more tense and he himself can sleep peacefully. Peacefully मतलब शांति से. वो भी अब जाकर सोना चाहता है बिना डर के कि मैं सोने गया तो ये ना हो कि बीटल पानी में डूब जाए. So he is praying to God to guide the beetle. Let's start reading the poem. Lord, please give some sense of direction to this beetle. Now, sense of direction means an idea of where to go. Who keeps blundering through the open window and falling into the fish bowl. Now, blundering word बना है blunder से. Blunder means mistake, so blundering means entering by mistake here in this poem's context. Twice I have kept him from drowning. 2 बार मैंने बीटल को डूबने से बचाया है. I've kept him away from drowning. Kept him from drowning. And returned him to the garden. But he keeps coming back, zooming and diving about the room until plop. अब इसका क्या मीनिंग है? 2 बार मैं उसको छोड़ के आया हूँ गार्डन में एंड दोनों बार इट कीप्स कमिंग बैक इनटू माय रूम थ्रू द ओपन विंडो एंड जूम जूम. जूम हेयर मीन्स मूविंग विद ग्रेट स्पीड. वो मेरे रूम में आ जाता है वापस बीटल. एंड प्लॉप. प्लॉप इज द साउंड जैसे पानी में कोई चीज गिरती है तो टप साउंड आती है ना, तो यहाँ पोएम में प्लॉप वर्ड यूज किया गया. प्लॉप. ही इज इन द गोल्डफिश बोल अगेन, swimming round and looking very tired. Now the beetle is tired क्योंकि बहुत देर से वो swimming कर रहा है goldfish bowl में. In 5 minutes time, I must go to bed. Now the poet is sleepy and wants to go and sleep. And if you don't get this beetle to look after himself, who will? अगर भगवान तुम इस beetle को guide नहीं करोगे तो और कौन करेगा? Besides, it makes the goldfish nervous. So nervous means feeling worried. अब goldfish को लग रहा है कि ये beetle जो है मेरे घर में आ गया, मेरे bowl में आ गया, बार बार गिर जाता है मेरे bowl में. So it is making the goldfish also very tense. Let's start with the question answers now. Pick the correct option. The beetle kept entering because the goldfish was its friend, poet was its owner, window was open. So the beetle kept entering because window was open. The poet was worried that the goldfish would eat the beetle, beetle would drown in the goldfish bowl, or beetle would harm the goldfish. So the correct answer is beetle would drown in the goldfish bowl. The poet had twice thrown it out of the window, directed the beetle towards the garden, or saved the beetle from falling. So the poet had twice directed the beetle towards the garden. अब यहाँ ध्यान रखना है कि drowning word नहीं लिखा है, falling लिखा है. That's why B हम select कर रहे हैं answer. The poet asked the Lord to help the beetle because he did not want to help the beetle himself, wanted to go to bed, was feeling nervous because he wanted to go to bed. Wanted to go to bed means wanted to go and sleep. How many times has the speaker saved the beetle already? So the speaker has already saved the beetle twice. How many times has the beetle fallen into the goldfish pool? Obviously दो बार बचा है तो दो बार गिरी थी beetle. Twice. How, according to the speaker, was the beetle feeling? अब beetle कैसे feel कर रही थी? Sleepy, nervous या tired? Beetle was tired. It was looking tired after swimming in the goldfish bowl. How, according to the speaker, was the goldfish feeling? अब बार बार beetle goldfish bowl में जाकर गिर रही थी, drown हो रही थी उधर. So goldfish was feeling nervous. How was the speaker feeling? Poet को कैसा लग रहा था? The poet was sleepy. When will the speaker go to bed? The speaker will go to bed in 5 minutes. So इसमें आपके second stanza में लिखा हुआ है ना, in 5 minutes time I must go to bed. So the poet will go to bed in 5 minutes. Next question is, who do the underlined words refer to in the poem? So who keeps blundering through the open window? इसमें who word किसके लिए use किया गया है? कौन बार बार open window के अंदर घुस रहा है? Beetle. He keeps coming back. अब he keeps coming back, he किसके लिए use किया गया है? Again beetle. In 5 minutes time, I must go to bed. Now I refers to the poet. Twice I have kept him from drowning. So here I poet के लिए use किया हुआ है and him is for the beetle. And returned him to the garden. Again him is for the beetle. If you don't get this beetle to look after himself, you किसके लिए use किया गया? God के लिए. So the poet is praying to God that please look after the beetle. तुमने God ध्यान रखोगे तो कौन रखेगा beetle का ध्यान? Next question. Question 1 है, what blunder, according to the speaker, is the beetle making repeatedly? Blunder means mistake. So beetle बार बार क्या mistake कर रही है? The beetle is repeatedly entering the room through the open window and falling into the goldfish bowl. तो room के अंदर enter कर रही है open window से और goldfish bowl में जाकर गिर रही है. Next question. Why does the beetle enter the room repeatedly? The beetle enters the room repeatedly because the poet thinks that it does not have any sense of direction. It does not know where it has to go. तभी बार बार वो room के अंदर enter कर रही है. What request does the speaker make to the god? The poet requests the god to give some sense of direction to the beetle. Why did the poet ask the god to help the beetle? The poet asked the god to help the beetle as he has to go to bed and he is afraid that the beetle might drown in the goldfish bowl once he sleeps. The poet requests God to help the beetle. What does it tell us about the speaker? क्या पता चलता है इससे कि उसने उसको मरते हुए नहीं छोड़ा ना? So this tells us that the poet is a kind person. He cares about the beetle. He is worried that the beetle might drown once he goes to sleep. Why did the speaker return the beetle to the garden twice? The speaker returned the beetle to the garden twice, as it was repeatedly entering the room through the open window and falling into the goldfish bowl. Suggest a way by which the poet could have kept the beetle from entering the room. अब ऐसा क्या कर सकता था पोएट कि बीटल रूम में एंटर ना करे? वो बार बार कहाँ से एंटर कर रही थी? विंडो से एंटर कर रही थी ना. सो अगर पोएट विंडो क्लोज कर देता तो बीटल रूम में एंटर ही नहीं करती. So the poet could have kept the beetle from entering the room by closing the window of the room. अब इस तरह के जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं ना, सजेस्ट वे, दीज आर योर ओन आंसर्स. आपको अगर है कि कोई और चीज हो सकती है जिससे वो रोक सकता था बीटल को रूम में आने से, आप वो भी लिख सकते हो. समवन कैन राइट, घर से गार्डन में नहीं, घर से भाई कहीं बहुत दूर छोड़ के आ जाता. Why is the poet worried about the beetle drowning in the goldfish bowl? The poet is worried about the beetle drowning in the goldfish bowl as he has to go to bed, and then there would be no one to look after the beetle. Also, the beetle looks tired of swimming. अब beetle थक गई है swimming करके goldfish bowl में, so उसको tension है, he is worried कि अगर वो सो गया तो उसका ध्यान कौन रखेगा beetle का. What, according to the speaker, makes the goldfish nervous? The poet feels that every time the beetle falls into the goldfish bowl with a plop, it startles the goldfish. Startles is उसको हैरान कर देती है goldfish को and makes it nervous. How does the poet feel about the beetle? The poet's feeling for the beetle is to save it from drowning in the goldfish bowl, as he is a caring person. Do you like the poem? Give reason for your answer. So this is again your own answer, whether you like this poem or not. Yes, I liked the poem because the poet is a caring person, saves the beetle twice from drowning in the goldfish bowl. The poet also asks the god to help the beetle as he has to go to bed and is afraid that the beetle might drown in the goldfish bowl once he sleeps. लास्ट में हम करेंगे रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट. सो पोएम का कोई भी स्टैंजा आ सकता है एंड देन उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा सकते हैं. सो द स्टैंजा विच आई हैव टेकन इज, एंड इफ यू डोंट गेट दिस बीटल टू लुक आफ्टर हिमसेल्फ, हु विल? सो वेयर इज द बीटल एट दिस पॉइंट जब ये पोएट बोल रहा है? इफ यू डोंट गेट, इसमें यू कौन था? गॉड था ना. सो इफ यू डोंट गेट दिस बीटल टू लुक आफ्टर हिमसेल्फ, हु विल? सो द बीटल इज इन द गोल्डफिश बोल एट दिस पॉइंट. Why does the speaker say that the beetle can't look after himself? अब ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा है स्पीकर कि बीटल अपना ध्यान खुद नहीं रख सकता? The speaker says so because the beetle keeps falling into trouble by falling into the goldfish bowl repeatedly. Already 2 बार वो goldfish bowl में गिर चुका है बीटल, इसलिए स्पीकर को ऐसा लगता है कि वो अपना ध्यान खुद नहीं रख सकता. What else is the speaker worried about? The speaker is worried about the beetle as it looks tired of swimming in the goldfish bowl and may drown once he goes to bed. Also, beetle's presence means beetle का होना, beetle का present होना in the goldfish bowl makes the goldfish nervous. तो 2 चीजों के लिए वो worried है. एक कि beetle डूब ना जाए क्योंकि वो tired लग रहा है swimming से, एंड दूसरा जो उसकी पेट गोल्डफिश है वो भी नर्वस है कि उसके घर में, उसके बोल के अंदर ये कौन सा इंसेक्ट आ गया है जो बार बार डूब रहा है. सो दैट्स इट. इस पोएम के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स खत्म होते हैं. आई होप आपको ये पोएम अच्छे से समझ आ गई है. प्लीज गिव योर फीडबैक इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, एंड आपके कोई भी क्वेरीज हैं, डाउट्स हैं, यू कैन ऑलवेज पोस्ट इट इन द कमेंट्स. मैं जितनी जल्दी हो सके रिवर्ट करने की कोशिश करूंगी. And thanks for watching the video. Please like and share it, and do subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet.